about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It is 2:26. I'm feeling a little bit better. I think tomorrow I can go back to work. Yeah, it's been a weird. I woke up with my stomach not feeling great, but it's gotten a lot better. So I'm gonna go grocery shop. I need to get some things for the rest of the week. And I'm gonna come clean up a little bit, get some stuff prepared for dinner, upload and edit, and I think that is just gonna be the day. I better get going. It's already 2 o'clock, so I have to kind of go back to back, so come along with me. I always look so wild. I look crazy. So I filled up my backpack and I have a bag. Let's go home. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a quick haul as I put everything away. So the first thing I got is tomatoes. I love to have this with almost every meal. Honestly, I'll just like saute it in olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and if I have any, a little bit of white wine, and it's so good. I got some seaweed snacks. I like to have this with pretty much any type of rice. Sometimes I have it with fried rice, or if I have just white rice, this is always really good. I usually like Mama O's kimchi with this. I don't have any kimchi now, but this is always good with any type of rice. And for some vegetables, I got some broccoli, some asparagus, some red peppers, some green peppers, and then some spinach. All of these are perfect in a soup. Asparagus goes well for salmon, and then the peppers are great for if you just want to do like a chicken and rice kind of situation. I always love some fresh peppers, like some fresh sauteed peppers. I cook pretty plain, to be honest, like a lot of just olive oil, salt, pepper. I cook pretty plain for my vegetables, but for my meats, I season a lot. My favorite fruit to have as a snack is mandarin. I love to put it in the fridge so that it's really, really cold when I peel it. It's so good. One of my favorite snacks, honestly. Also, one of my favorite vegetables is eggplant. I love it almost like a stew with other vegetables to put over white rice. My favorite is like white rice, lentils, and eggplant. If you don't like a mushy texture, you're not gonna like that. But I love it. I love red lentils specifically. It's red lentils specifically. So good. And then I also just got a bag of frozen vegetables. These always go really great in soups if I'm like feeling a little too lazy to cook. I'll do a bag of frozen vegetables, and I'll do like some rice noodles and make like a chicken broth, or sometimes I even do like a beef kind of stock. Another thing that's like a favorite snack of mine is eggs. Honestly, I cook my eggs really plain, but when my mom cooks my eggs, she puts like a lot of like flavoring. She puts some eppies, she puts some chili oil. It's so good. But when I do it, I just do it pretty plain, and I just do literally salt and pepper. But I can go for like, whenever I'm like really hungry, I'll just do like 3 eggs. Not even really hungry, whenever I'm just peckish, I'll do 3 eggs, and then sometimes I'll put some of the cherry tomatoes in there. So good. Or some spinach. And red onion. Oh. And then last but not least, what I got for protein is salmon for 2 days. So this is like the barbecue cut. Oh, is this? Nah. Yes, it is. Okay, yeah. I like to get the barbecue cut ones, the one that are already cut, because it just makes it easier to separate rather than me having to do all that extra work, because after you clean it, you're tired. And then I got some chicken breast and then some ground turkey. So if I wanted to do tacos in the middle of the week, and then if I want to do chicken and rice with some veggies and black beans, that's usually my go-to. And then this is usually my favorite for dinner. I'll bring this to work sometimes, but I try not to bring fish to work too often. Okay, so that's what I got from Trader Joe's. And now I'm just gonna clean down this area a little bit, and then I'm gonna edit because I have to get that up today.
Barbie. There are no girls. A change. Here's the clean your room. We don't know. Someone can't be sure.
Honestly, I was so.
Her personality is great. It's fascinating.
Honestly, I don't give up. For me, in terms of my work, there's always so much I want to do.
I tried asking about those red lights.
You always said it's going to. This is the first time.
I was waiting for you.
So honest.
Let me cut them up for you.
Thank you. You're right. Dad was too. She's curious about Chong Su for it. Yeah.
That is such a